all the above factors can make the skin on your hands show the aging signs faster. Your arms and hands are often neglected and unprotected. Hello everyone. So have you noticed that the skin on your arms or hands is looking wrinkled, saggy and older than your face? Mostly in hot and dry climates, this is a very common aging pattern. So in this video, I'll try to explain why your arms start aging faster and what can be done to rejuvenate them naturally. If you live in dry and hot climates, your arms or hands get constantly exposed to sunlight, dust and dry winds. Unlike your face, which gets moisturizer and sunscreen, your arms and hands are often neglected and unprotected. So what happens? This constant UV exposure can break down the collagen and elastin fibers in your skin, making the skin on your hands lose firmness. And the dry air to which the skin is constantly exposed can strip away the natural moisture content in the skin, leading to rough texture. And also constant repetitive movements like bending and stretching can cause repeated skin folding, which can deepen the skin wrinkles. So all the above factors can make the skin on your hands show the aging signs faster than your face does. Firstly, the sunscreen usage isn't just for your face. Even your arms, hands and other sun-exposed areas also need sun protection. Good SPF sunscreen regularly, daily, especially if you use half sleeves or sleeveless outfits. Hydration is also very important. So use a good moisturizing lotion containing shea butter, ceramides and hyaluronic acid regularly. And then exfoliate your skin at least twice a week to remove the dead cells and improve the skin texture. And for deeper wrinkles and sagging, do visit New Roots Skin and Hair Clinic, where we offer you with laser skin tightening and hydration infusions that target the deep wrinkles and sagging safely and effectively. So consistency in care is the key. You have to start the treatment early, make the aging slow down. Don't let your arms reveal your age before your face does. So proper targeted treatments and proper skin care can restore the firmness, smoothness and even skin tone. So do book an appointment at New Roots Skin and Hair Clinic today to bring back the youthful look of your arms naturally. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for further skin care tips.